Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. Back again with the nice, trendy and perfect ideas and style. In this video guys, I'm going to show you different amazing and latest pattern, perfect and beautiful ideas and style of new ideas and new pattern and new designs of pixie haircut and short haircut. Different beautiful pattern and latest style and new ideas. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing video. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing style. This type of beautiful ideas of new haircut and hair color are so nice and so gorgeous. Hope you guys enjoy this amazing, perfect and nice haircut ideas. Hope you guys enjoy this lovely, pretty and beautiful haircut and hair color designs, short haircut ideas and pixie haircut designs. So I request all of you guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And also guys, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of my new videos. My dear ladies and dear women, hope you guys enjoy this all the new perfect and trendy haircut ideas and different type of dye hair color and beautiful pattern and style. If you like this amazing video, if you like these amazing designs and style, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And these perfect and nice pixie and short haircut ideas and designs are so lovely. Looking very great, looking very nice, looking very beautiful, looking very trendy and amazing. Hope you guys enjoy these perfect ideas. Hope you guys enjoy this amazing style. And this beautiful pattern and designs of new haircut and hair color are so stylish and so amazing. Haircut and hair color will change your personality and also guys volumize your hairs. We all are following trend and latest fashion. So let's talk about today's trendy fashion about haircut. Pixie haircut, short haircut, different type of shaggy haircut and messy haircut look and side bangs and front bangs haircut ideas are today's trendy fashion. Guys, you have to try any different haircut according to your choice. These perfect and pretty pixie cut ideas and short haircut designs are so lovely and so amazing. And these beautiful ideas and style of short haircut and hair color ideas and designs are so good. You have to try this perfect and nice haircut ideas and style. If you are new, I request you don't forget to subscribe and also guys press the bell icon. You have to visit and see different amazing videos of new haircut and thank you so much guys. Take care. We will be right back. Bye bye.